Mental illness and divorce in Illinois. When mental illness becomes a factor in marriage, it can significantly impact the dynamics of a relationship, sometimes leading to divorce. In Illinois, mental illness is not only a personal struggle but can also play a pivotal role in divorce proceedings. Understanding how the law addresses this sensitive issue is essential for individuals facing such challenges. Legal implications of mental illness in Illinois. Divorces in Illinois, mental illness can influence divorce in various ways, but it is not necessarily a deciding factor in the court's decision to grant a divorce. Illinois is a no-fault divorce state, meaning that the court does not require proof of wrongdoing, such as mental illness, to grant the dissolution of a marriage. Instead, irreconcilable differences are typically cited as the cause of divorce. However, mental illness may still be considered when determining other legal matters during the proceedings. When it comes to issues like custody and the division of assets, the court may take mental illness into account. In child custody cases, the court's primary concern is the best interests of the child. If one spouse's mental illness poses a risk to the child or affects their ability to provide proper care, it could impact the court's decision on custody arrangements. Similarly, mental illness could be relevant in cases involving spousal support, especially if the illness affects a spouse's ability to work or maintain financial independence. How mental illness affects divorce proceedings in Illinois. While mental illness does not automatically make divorce more difficult in Illinois, it can complicate certain aspects of the process. For example, if a spouse is suffering from severe mental illness, it could slow down proceedings, especially if they are unable to fully participate in the legal process or require special accommodations. In extreme cases, a spouse may be declared legally incompetent, which would necessitate the appointment of a legal guardian to represent their interests during the divorce. Mental illness may also affect negotiations between spouses. In some cases, a spouse's mental health struggles might make them more vulnerable in discussions about asset division, child custody, and spousal support. It's important for both parties to be represented by an experienced attorney who can advocate for their interests while ensuring that their mental health conditions are appropriately considered. The divorce process and mental illness in Illinois. In Illinois, divorce begins with the filing of a petition for dissolution of marriage. The divorce process involves several stages, including filing, serving papers to the other party, negotiation, and possibly court hearings. When mental illness is part of the equation, certain additional steps may be necessary. For example, if one spouse's mental illness is severe, they may need to undergo a psychological evaluation, which could influence custody decisions or the allocation of assets. Additionally, the court may appoint a guardian ad litem to represent the interests of the child or the spouse with mental illness during the proceedings. Throughout the process, it is vital for each spouse to work closely with a knowledgeable divorce attorney who can navigate the legal system while keeping the complexities of mental illness in mind. A skilled lawyer can help ensure that the divorce proceeds smoothly and that both parties' rights and needs are adequately addressed. Dealing with mental illness during a divorce can be challenging, but understanding how Illinois law addresses the issue can provide some clarity. It's crucial to work with a law firm that understands the legalities involved and can offer the right guidance for your unique situation. For experienced representation in divorce cases involving mental illness, contact the law office of Russell D. Knight at 1165 North Clark Street, number 700, Chicago, Illinois 60610, United States. Call us today at 773-334-6311 to schedule a consultation and get the support you need.